What's yours? Earl
Oh, milk tea with 3 J's.
with 3
Plus milk
J's.
foam.
It's all the same.
Yeah.
Yum. So good morning. So we are on the way to another Caravan 4-wheel drive show in the city. Oh my goodness. So we are in the GTR again. So see you when we get there. A lot of people. Look at that. Out. Oh, that's so big. Huge. Look at this. Massive. Whoa. That's a monster. F-250. Whoa. God, how dirty this is. So muddy. It's that busy. There's even a lineup. A lineup. Whoa. I haven't seen it like this busy. So much people, man. Stop by. Oh yes. So this is a 79. They removed the roof.
Yeah, so you just pull that down
So
and
it's
that's your
like
bed.
really open. Okay. Whoa. Look at that. It's called Song Slappers. That's massive.
I could do a gearbox swap on that.
Look how big this is. Whoa. This is very cute. And it's called Toizoki. How cute is that? Look at all these big cars.
Hey?
Massive Ford Everest.
Yeah.
Look at this Ram.
That's
it's,
a TRX.
It's massive. And then there's another. So big.
250.
That's massive.
How far do you have to go back to
So
fit it
big.
into
I know, right? Like it
how far
can't
you
fit in there.
to try to fit it into
That's huge. Oh my god, it's heavy. Oh, there you go. Look at that. You can pull it out. It's clever.
Yeah.
Heavy too.
this tiny little
So big. That's a three. What is it?
350. F350.
That's massive. Stand there.
It's like a truck, eh?
Yes. So big. So busy. Lots of people. Look at that. Lots of monster cars. Monster cars. Let's go. Can't see ahead.
What's that?
So
Ranger.
so busy. Hey,
It's just
look at that. I will show you around.
it's a chimney. The inside of the chimney.
Toizoki.
Yeah.
This is the inside of the Toizoki. Here you go. it look like the 79? No, not really. It's the back. Let's do a little bit of vlogging. What's that? Where are you going, bub? Oh, look, there's a kangaroo there. Look at that. Dirty, muddy. Got all these cat
Another one.
shirts.
It's the DMW one there.
Cheap.
Here's another one, bub.
And there's another one of the Toyzoki. It's the Toyzoki Day. The Little Rich. Look at the photographers. Look at this jeep on top of a jeep. The truck. A dump truck. Whoa. Look at this. Show you around. Kraken. Whoa. Let's show you around. Tip over. Show you inside. Look, we have the same hat. Bab, we have the same hat. Look at my hat.
What?
No, hang on. We have the same hat.
Oh, nice. This is cool.
Look, it tipped
The
over.
attention to detail and like the paintwork is pretty good.
Yeah. Whoa. Look at that,
Pretty
man.
good. It's like the shirt's basically shirts.
Let's go slow here. So cool. I like that. I like that.
You're still vlogging.
Yes, I'm still vlogging.
Like and subscribe to Coco S2 Snoopy on Instagram for
Yes.
all your fluffy dog pics. Help us retire. we're up to all of 50 subscribers.
Whoa! Yes, like and subscribe, guys.
Like my own shit.
Back to four-wheel drive show. Whoa, this is cool. I like this. I think that's awesome. Haven't seen anything like that before. Really cool. Whoa. So good. So good. Whoa, even this is different. Whoa. It's growing, right?
Yeah.
Not bad.
Anthony was telling me it's like thousands.
Yeah, no. Whoa, even look at this mirror. It's so cute. Look at these lights. Whoa. J Max. I'll show you around. Clear view. Just normal. Standard 79. Let's look at 300. That's 300, right? Let's look at 300. Shiny. It's so shiny, man. Oh, look at that. Wheels. Oofed. Whoa. That's massive. So we're gonna look at caravans now. Okay, let's look at caravans. Where are we going first? We'll go this way. Actually, let's look at these Maverick caravans. Price, this is extra room price, 52,000. For this little kitchens here. Ooh, I have the bedding, nice bedding, and a bench, TVs, your fridge, and there's the shower and toilet. There you go. Your vanity. It's not bad. 69,990. I like this kitchen on the side of the Caravan. Hey?
We've been through this.
I like, oh, I know, on the couch. And then it become a bunk bed. Put that down. I like this, actually. It's like a stairs to go up to your bed. And there's the toilet. There's your toilet and your vanity. This is not bad. But this 84,990. This is a, what is this? There's your toilet. There's your shower, fancy shower. Ooh. Fancy. Very modern. There's your bed. This is alright. So you can get out that way and get out that way. 114,990. Van Cruiser. There's your bed. Oh yeah, 2 bunk beds, couch, and a toilet. Your shower. Ooh, look at that. You can watch your husband having a shower. Your bed, fence. So hot at the moment. There's your stove. What's this? Your sink, obviously. And to look at the view. It's really busy. There's the Brisbane city. Let's look at 119,000 Caravan. Oh my god, a couch right away. That's not a bad idea. And then you have a bench. Oh, washing machine. I thought it's a stove. Oh, look at it. This is like a house. It has a room. Wow, it has this mirror. Hello.
Look at that.
Whoa.
Oh,
It's like a bedroom.
and you can take this off road.
There's a bedroom, man. That's so
This
cool.
could go through Ningala Road.
And your fridge. It's your fridge massive.
There's water in there.
Whoa. Private. Very private.
There's cup holder.
Wow. Even got cup holder. It's like a movie theater here. You can put your TV there. Massive. 24,990 Caravan. Oops.
So yeah, so this is good. Oh, it's sold.
So there's your. This is sold already.
But yeah, so it's like.
Oh yeah, I can see.
So you got like the bunks there too.
Oh,
So
so
there's
it's a
lounge, and then you
actually
can
sleep
put.
people here as well.
You can put the bed down. Can you put the bed down?
No, I'm not doing that.
Would you
You're doing
consider another Royal Flare?
Royal flare.
How about
3
middle
bunk
side?
beds. That's massive. It's massive.
Yeah, it's too many bunks.
Hello. It's nice, but too big. A 139,990 Royal Flare. So it's the same thing. There's the couch, and then the bed can go down and become a bed. There's a bench, lots of storage, fridge. There's your vanity and your toilet. And there's a door here. Oh, and there's your 3 bunk beds. So fancy. Very fancy. So there you go. Family Flare, 139,900. There's your sink. Very fancy. Yeah. You like this? Oh, what's this?
Yes, it's got its own.
That's different.
Ow. So it's got the same motor as your BMW.
Yeah. Cool. Cheers. We're kicking in. Wow, look at that. Cheese bites. And we have French fries. And we have our seafood coming up. Cheese bites. And we are going to eat on the table. Yeah, straight on the table, no plate. What are you doing? Nice, thank you. Oh, so yum. Let's use our hands and our prawns. Ooh, yum. Look at that sauce. Let's eat. So we went here, kicking in. That was nice. Yummy. There you go. That's it for my video. It's so quiet. We're in the city. Spring Hill. It's so quiet. So there's Spring Hill for you. We're on the road.
Are you driving?
Oh yeah, I'm driving. Anthony's drunk. Are you drunk?
I'm drunk.
Yes, I can drive. Oofed. I'm driving the oofed. I'm driving the oofed.
Are you driving?
Yes, I'm driving. Alright. I'm gonna drive now. See ya. Bye.